The civil services examination is not a test of what you know, but it is a test of what is your ability and what you will contribute to the civil service. It means it is a test of what you are able to do and what you will do in the civil service. The civil service is going through a transformation. The government of India is shifting from the current rule-based system of personal administration to a role-based or competency-based system of strategic human resource management to transform its civil service to meet the challenges of the 21st century and rapid economic development need. Therefore, UPSC is emphasizing selecting those candidates who have the ability and dispositions to work in higher civil services according to a role-based or competency-based system of SHRM. The ability and dispositions of a person are determined by his intellectual identity. A person's intellectual identity defines him or defines who he is in terms of intelligence, knowledge and skill, attitude, foresight capabilities and strategic outlook. Therefore, a person's intellectual identity is responsible for his outstanding performance in the role. It is the intellectual identity of a person that differentiates him from others. In other words, a person's intellectual identity defines what he is able to do and what he will do. Therefore, the civil services examination is not intended to test facts, information, theories, concepts, and fluency in subject matter, etc. The civil services examination tests candidates' intellectual identity to select those candidates who have the ability and dispositions to work in higher civil services. Right knowledge and higher order skills determine the ability to work in higher civil services, while right attitude determines the dispositions or tendencies. Therefore, a candidate's outstanding performance in the civil services examination is determined by his intellectual identity, which is the result of his deliberate efforts of learning and development to acquire right knowledge, higher order skills, and right attitude, but not by his innate talent or IQ. The cutting edge research in brain science and learning sciences and real life experiences have clearly established that innate talent and IQ of a person do not determine his intelligence and capabilities, thus, they do not determine his success or expertise in any field. In this context, the Cambridge Handbook of Expertise and Expert Performance, which is published recently, is a research compilation of more than 100 scientists on expertise and performance. This research compilation clearly established that innate talent and IQ do not determine a person's expertise or performance. Rather, it is the deliberate efforts of learning and development that are responsible for his performance in any field. It is now widely accepted that IQ and innate talent are not the determinant of a person's success or performance or expertise in any field. To enable students to achieve their desired success in the civil services examination, the PTSX has proposed Core Comprehensive Development Program, which is a complete preparation program from beginning to final for the civil services examination. This program develops right knowledge, higher order skills, and right attitude most effectively and efficiently and shapes students' intellectual identity so that students can solve maximum number of questions correctly in the prelims examination to qualify it easily. And in main written examination, students can construct high quality responses to all questions and get a very high score. And in interview test, they can face interview with confidence and are able to create high quality answers to all interview questions. This program is based on strategic and focus approach and applies the science of learning and the best practices to maximize students' score and reduce their time and effort in getting their desired success in the civil services examination. This complete preparation program for the civil services examination will be completed in 52 weeks or 1 year and is available in an online and scheduled format. This program includes 350 plus lecture videos, essential readings, various project and real life case studies, formative and summative assessments, private discussion forum, and asking relevant questions facility to align its learning objectives, learning activities, and learning outcomes. outcomes. Core Comprehensive Development Program is the most effective and efficient program for the complete preparation of the civil services examination to enable students to get a competitive ace in 1 year preparation.